Grab your pad and sticks if you are a beginner drummer. Most drummers find rudiments boring because they just play them against a metronome. We are making paradiddles more fun today by playing them with music. Follow along, let's go! One more. So we start from the beginning. Now. Triple paradiddles. Just as before. Regular paradiddles. 4 times, now triplets. Triple paradiddles, not triplets. That's it. This is why paradiddles are so useful for drummers. They train singles, doubles, accents, and leading with both hands in one simple pattern. And by the way, if your grooves feels or transitions feel messy when you practice, I created a free PDF to help you out. It gives you a simple way to slow things down, find the problem, and make your practice more focused. You can get it for free using the link below. Now watch this lesson right here and make your next practice session even stronger. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!